Yeah. I'll be patient for you long, you take time to yourself. Nigga drugs and on the pain, I'm really worried about your health. Yeah, you worried about my feelings, you ain't worried about my wealth. Wondering will you choose me if I was put up on the shelf. Tell me how you feeling, we could probably work it out.
Hello, people. Go and tell them what you want to do.
I want to do a noodle race, you feel me? So, we got spaghetti, you feel me? I got my plate, she got her plate.
Boy, your thirsty ass.
Yeah, let me go. Cause you finna cheat. I need some meat.
Pause.
Take some of my damn noodles there.
Hey nigga, don't be taking my noodles now.
They look even.
Yeah.
Okay, I think so. Okay.
Double cup. Damn.
Alright, ready?
One.
Wait. How much we got there?
1, 2, yeah. I'm gonna talk on you. I'm trying to eat it. I'm trying to eat it and it's stuck in my throat right now.
There's no way out of this one. You're done.
Oh shit.
One more round.
Oh, alright. Niggas got me fucked up. Niggas about to kill me over noodles and shit. Nah. Couldn't do my last day over a damn noodle. I'm like, damn. She said, going in, she gonna slurp the noodles.
Let me eat some sausage.
Let me breathe. Yeah.
I won. Look at the camera.
See how she ate that noodle though.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Shut up. Y'all see my nose from
That way.
get the RTT.
Yep.
It says TT, but that's not TT2 now.
That way, you know.
But this sausage is good.
So.
Shut the fuck up, man. Go pick these damn noodles. We had that. Well, you know what? Never mind. You better not win this time. We gotta be mad as
Yeah, nigga. All that.
He's gay!
1, 2, yeah.
Look for shit. Look for shit.
Oh, now you mad. Why you mad now?
Look for shit.
Just the way she was just trying to get the noodle in the mouth. It's like your mouth so little, you have to suck the noodle on it.
Like, at first it was cooperating, so I had to do a new method. You see what I'm saying?
God damn.
No, we're gonna one more round for that.
Final round.
One more round, final round.
Final round. Fight.
You get to the beat.
Pause, right? Yeah. Let the nigga breathe. Bye. Meat meal.
You need some more noodles. We gonna do a big portion.
I barely have noodles.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I won.
That was some fake shit. You did it. You cheated.
I won, guys. As you can see.
You were cheating at it, man. I ain't gonna lie. You made me laugh.
I won. So. Let's go a handshake.